She was in the same airplane with us.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
You're in the same airplane with us, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I remember. Are you guys on holidays?
Yes.
You're on holidays from where? From where?
We're from Indonesia.
Oh, from Indonesia.
Yeah,
Jakarta.
from
I mean, you
Indonesia.
were from Jakarta just now.
Yes. Oh yes. Yeah.
Hello, Om.
Oh, Jakarta juga.
Iya, kita dari Jakarta.
Ya, kalau gitu kenapa pakai bahasa Inggris kita?
Mirip-mirip bule gitu ya. Padahal dia anak Pak Le.
Anak Pak Le. Here at the first station, ini namanya Pantai apa itu?
Tanjung
Tinggi.
Iya.
Huh?
Iya.
Pantai Tanjung Tinggi ini namanya, and actually one of the unique place yang people datang ke sini just to check out because the rocks katanya, and it's naturally made, the rocks. I'm about to show you rocksnya itu seperti apa, batunya seperti apa, but they're telling me it's naturally made, like it's not handmade, tapi benar-benar from Mother Nature. Pantai Tanjung Tinggi. Selain pantai, baksonya juga lumayan kayaknya.
The name is Laser Pelangi.
Selain pantai, baksonya juga lumayan baksonya. Not bad baksonya. Okay, let's take a look at this place. Wow. So this place, Pantai Tanjung Tinggi, was shot with one of the most famous film di box office, kayak salah satu film yang paling terkenal di box office. Filmnya itu namanya Laskar Pelangi. If you haven't noticed, filmnya ini it was one of the hit di box office-nya itu waktu itu terkenal banget di Indonesia, Laskar Pelangi, and you know from that song juga. So they took it actually from this beach, and they took the shot from this beach. Jadi ada dua tempat yang mereka film di dalam sini, adalah yang satu adalah dari sini, sama satu lagi yang ada di pulau-nya namanya Ahok, which is that sekolah yang ada benderanya.
Waktu dia masukin itunya,
It's like
kryptonite.
It's called kryptonite. You don't even know what it is, okay? Lu aja sendiri nggak tahu itu apa. It's kryptonite, okay? What the heck?
This is what Ricky's going to get.
Mau rekam apa foto, sir?
Sorry?
Foto apa rekam?
Ini rekam, itu foto.
Ini foto.
Oh, ini foto. Oke. Satu.
This is get closer on this one here, and this is the Superman Kryptonite.
Yes.
Okay.
800. Wow.
Looks like a giant raisin, you know.
Ini dijamin asli 100%.
Yeah.
Yang nggak 100% yang mana?
Nggak ada di sini semua.
So this is it. We can go through the rocks here, and there's many passage. Dari sini situ sama aja, mana beda-beda. Dira.
Tumpah
Wih, bro, ini kalau malam serem abis, bro. Wow.
Sometimes the way it sounds might hurt, but it's all good, cause as long as we together and as long as it's clever, I don't care about the weather, let it rain. Me and my conscience had a talk today. Told me when I see the trouble, better walk away. Wait, sometimes you gotta space out. Sometimes you gotta change route. Sometimes it's gorgeous. Sorta like the suspect.
So we just made sure had a good crab meat.
Yeah, I know. So it's like, but at least he's being honest, saying that
Yeah.
one jepitan is gone. You know?
Daripada ntar udah di plate nggak ada jepitannya, right? At least the guy's honest lah. He says jepitannya only one.
Mana.
Udah dimasak.
Oh, ngambil cepetan.
Oh, see, you want me to go there again?
Iya, bro. Ini lah.
I don't understand this progress. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Like, dirugikan me. This is the fish. Ini ikannya.
9 on nggak apa-apa.
Apa?
Kok nggak ada cicilan dikit?
Nggak ada. Udah lah bro, we finish now.
Lo bisa suruh dulu makan.
Of course. Halo. Rame kali. Subscribe bener ya?
Oke.
Mana sini aku tulis?
Di Selia itu. Tiap malam nonton itu.
Mana handphone sini? Aku subscribe itu. Instagramnya saya
Manrai 191. Manrai 191. Siap. Naik.
Ini dapat nih.
Masnya juga ini ya, subscribe ya.
Yes.
Ntar pasti videonya ada. Arickysuroso. The video is there. They're very kind nih teman-temannya. Saya baru nyampe di sini. Kita lagi mau makan kepiting sama ikan. Alright, so Arickysuroso, yes. Make sure to subscribe ya. Booyah! Thank you so much for stumbling into my YouTube channel. Appreciate it that you watched my videos all the way until now. And if you haven't already, please do make sure you punch that like button at the bottom and also press that share button. At the same time, if you like any of the videos like this also, please do make sure you subscribe to my channel. And it's just right there with the red button. In that, thank you so much. I will see you in the next moment to come. You're still here. My social media platform. If you want to follow me, I forgot.